Why do I prize great coding skills in data scientists? I think that a competent data scientist will have great coding skills. Hadley Wickham has said that data science can't be done in a graphical user interface, which means we need to write code. For me, to write great code means reflecting a suite of mindsets. Namely, they are 1, the instinct for organizing code, 2, the compassion to document it, and 3, the rigor to test it. Put in 3 keywords, it's refactoring, documentation, and testing. Let's talk about them. Refactoring is the first of them. Refactoring is essentially organizing code. When we first build the code needed to solve a data problem, it's probably going to be a spaghetti mess of code. That's totally okay. When the problem is ill-defined in our mind, it'll look like an ill-defined pile of code too. But once we have a clearer understanding of the problem, a skilled practitioner will structure their code to match the underlying concepts. Organized code is a reflection of organized thought. Documentation is the second item. Writing documentation about your project and writing code docs encourages you to think clearly about your project. Writing documentation also lets you be compassionate towards your colleagues who may need to know how and where to contribute if they jump onto the project. Finally, writing documentation early and often is a great way of preparing for future presentations. Documentation brings you clarity. Finally, let's talk about testing. If you've taken seriously the act of writing an automated test for a function, you'll know from experience that the process of writing the test sharpens your thinking about that function. You'll end up handling edge cases better, you'll know where it's appropriate to add type checks, and you'll discover numerical instabilities before they crop up, and so on and so forth. Automated testing even lets your colleagues contribute with the confidence that their code changes won't break existing functionality. Testing makes your code reliable. Taken together, great coding skills are a reflection of other-centeredness. Someone who codes well is making life easier for that next person, and that next person could even be their future selves. I hope this explains why I seek out colleagues with great coding skills. Testing makes your code reliable, documentation brings you clarity, and that clarity can help you organize your code better. I hope this gives you more reasons to learn great software skills as a data scientist, and thanks for listening.